Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable AI feature in Google Messages. So that thing will make it too much easier for you to have a conversation with your AI just by getting into your Google Messages. So first, I just want you to tap on that icon. To get through your Google Messages. Once you tapped on it, you just need to go to your profile, your Google profile on the top right side or right corner. Alright, and here I just want you to go into messages settings, tap on it, and here I want you to search for Gemini and messages. So tap on it and tap on show Gemini button. You need to turn that one from off to on. Alright, so let's get back, and here once you go back to the main screen or the first screen, you will see that you have that icon below. So tap on it, and here as you can read, we can type anything. It's available. So it says this chat is available right now. Turn on RCS in settings to continue chatting. So how we can do that? We just need to tap on turn on, right? And now we need to turn that option from off to on. Okay, then you just need to verify your number, and once you verified your number, you will be able to talk or to have a conversation with the Google AI feature on Google Messages. Anyways guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.